This is Alexis with Infinite Design Marketing, back here again to go over pages. So here we are, I'm already logged in, and I'm going to click on Pages and Manage Pages. So let's say we want to change the About Us page and add some content in there. I'm going to click on the folder, and then here's the page About Us. So I'm going to come on over here, and I'm going to click Edit Page. And here I am. So let's talk about the anatomy of this page. Page is live. If I had clicked create a new page, this would say no. So the first thing you want to do, if you want it live, is to click yes. If you want to work on it for a while, then don't have it be here, say no, and you would have sitemap no. If the page is live, sitemap is yes, and page live is yes. The secure pages, that's there in the system, but it only works if you've had us set that up for you. Otherwise, it will just cause issues because the window will pop up requesting a login and people won't be able to do anything because it won't function. So just leave that on no. For the page URLs, we've got About Us, index.php, and we talked about how the actual name of the page is the folder name, which is out here, and then / and then the file name. And we'll make a new page in a few minutes, and that'll show you how to do that on your own. Again, the About Us is the name that it shows up as in the Pages Manager in the system, and is also the way that it looks on Google search results. So you may want to change that up and have it say, about high grade glass. And then keywords are keywords within the system. So if it was a page I wanted some keywords on to be found in search in the system, not on the internet, then I would add them here. The description is for that, it's that meta tag for search, for SEO. So you want to put in here a little paragraph, maybe your phone number, that's inviting and relevant to the page you're adding it for. And you can always look at other companies and see what their search results look like. You want to keep that at around 150 characters with spaces. Here again is your WYSIWYG. You do have a button here to click and view the source. So if you're familiar with HTML or have someone working with you that is, they can always go in here and work as well. You do need to click back to the WYSIWYG mode, which is here where you see the editor, before saving. So you have all of your tools. You can make something bold. You can take the bold off. You can make it underline. You can change the color of the font. Pretty much do whatever you want in that respect. You can outline, give things a highlight rather. And then here's images. Let's say we wanted to add an image. The first thing I would do is click where I want the image, like right there. And then I'm going to come in here and I'm going to say, let's browse the server, because we know that we've uploaded a ton of things. So let's go into, I don't think we have anything now. Let's go in here. And let's say we wanted to add a mulcher. I'm going to double click it, and I'm just going to, I can add some alt text, which is a great place to put in some keywords. So think about things you would like the photo to be found for, and then always your business name is good. And then I'm going to click OK, and look, there it is. It's right there on the page. I can change the size of this by simply coming in here, double clicking on the image and changing the size. So I can say 200 by 200 and OK. And there it is. So it's that easy to add an image. You might also want to link something. Let's say we wanted to link this right here. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to type in other because I want it to be on the site. And it's going to be contact-us/index.php. And I would say OK, and that would become a link. I'm going to say cancel because I want, cancel, yes, it's going to make me say it. So that's how that works. Then when you come down the bottom, you can click save, and it will save your page. And once you've saved and this page has restored, you can go to another tab. Let's get another tab going. Refresh the page just by clicking this, and it'll show you your change. Okay, did I not go in? There we go. Okay. So let's say we want to go back to Page Manager and we're going to add a new page. You can click this button right here. But let's say that you want it to be a page just like the About Us page. You can come in here and you can click Duplicate. And that will duplicate that particular layout. Now let's go in here and just say we want a new one. So we're going to say we want a testimonials page. So we're going to go about us / testimonials / index.php, because every page is called PHP. So we're saying here that in the About Us folder, we want a page called testimonials, and we know that that page is called index.php. Then here I'm going to write testimonials, and then here I would write a little description. This read about our client, about what our, I can't type today, clients have to say. And of course you would write all kinds of other things. Now here you have a drop down. On your site you have a couple of different types of pages. So you have a home page, which you're not going to want your interior pages to be set up to look like. And you have a products page, and then you have a default content page. These are the pages you want to work with. So you keep it on default, and then you can come in here and type away. And you can make it bold, and you can say I want it bigger, or not smaller, but bigger, anything you like. Make sure that you click yes, and then you would go ahead and save, and your page would be live. Now you would want to link that page. I'm going to say cancel because we don't want to make this page. You're going to want to now link that page. So whenever you add a new page, after you've created the page, you go into your menu, and then you'll add it. So let's say that I had made that page called testimonials, and I wanted it to be under accessories. I could come in here, type in the name of the page, pick the page that it's to go to. Okay, didn't make one, so it wouldn't be in the list. Tell the order that I want it to show in this list. And then does it have a parent or not? So if it has a parent, that means you're making a drop down. Now if you choose to make, oh actually we have drop downs, so I take that back. It will just be added to the drop down. We do have drop downs in this particular system. So that's pretty much it. You make your page, you add it to your menu, and you're good to go.